What should you tell when you are buy new? Be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing another wash and go. The first wash and go was a success. It lasted 6 days. I'm sorry guys, I have a cold. As you can hear it in my voice. Where I got it from, I don't know. But the video must go on. In this video, I'll be using the Shea Moisture products to see how it works on my hair. Just the Shea Moisture products only. I've been using Shea Moisture products ever since I did my big chop. I love their product, but I've never tried their gel, and that's what I'll be using today to do my wash and go. I just washed my hair, no products in my hair. I haven't even combed my hair out or anything. That's why it's looking like this. I just washed it. I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. Also, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love this smoothie so much. And also I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Anti-Frizz Max Hold Gel. So I don't have an oil for this line, Shea Moisture. So I'll be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This oil worked really well for my last wash and go, so I'll be using this oil again. I don't think the oil is gonna make a difference with the products, so I'll be using those 3 products and also this oil. Starting off with freshly washed hair, I'll be parting my hair in sections just to make it more easier to manage. Adding more water to my hair because my hair was getting dry. First, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. Yes, clumsy as usual. Then I'll be using the Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. Next, the Africa's Best Herbal Oil to seal in the moisture. Then I'll be going in with my Denman brush for any knots and tangles just to get my curls defined. Last but not least, or maybe least, let me stop. It's the Shea Moisture Anti-Frizz Max Hold Gel. I'll be going in again with my Denman brush to work the products through the hair, and also I'll be doing the shingling method just to define my curls. Curls poppin', ain't no stoppin'. Like, I try so hard to define my curls, but it just wasn't happening.
My gut and my heart is telling me that I just like did this too fast and I didn't know what I was doing. I wasted everyone's money, I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad.
The gel was on my skin and it felt like glue. You know when you're trying to peel glue off your skin? Yes, that's exactly how it felt. But those curls were still popping. And you know me, I'm not giving up. Even if I see something is going wrong, I'm still not giving up. That's just me. For this wash and go hairstyle, I'll be doing a side part. Side part is my favorite, so yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Look at this, guys. I am running out of gel. And I have this much left. I've never used a whole bottle of gel before. And this is like my 4th wash and go, but my 2nd wash and go on camera. And I've never used so much gel before. Let's keep going. So after I got done and watched this video, I realized maybe I shouldn't have used that much gel in my hair. But the gel was not defining my curls, and other gels that I've used in the past define my curls so easy. So that's why I kept applying gel, and my curls were not defining. I had to put a lot of gel on my hair to see definition, and that's why this happened. So this is telling me if my hair was longer, I would need 2 bottles of gel. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'll be back when it's dry. So it's 6 hours later. I'm not even gonna wait until tomorrow to show you guys. Look at this. These are all flakes. It's like 90% dry, and I already know this is a fail. Don't get me wrong, I like their products. I like their cream, smoothie, and milk. But those products mixed with gel is a complete fail for my hair. So I'm not even gonna wait until the next day to wash my hair. I'm just gonna wash my hair right now, because I already know it's only gonna get worse. I am not going to sleep with this much flake. Really bad, right? Look there, every time I touch my ear wash.
Yo, don't waste enough, put them on board.
This was a complete fail. Listen, I put all the time in this, all effort. So I'm still gonna be uploading this. Yeah. Anyways, if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And stay tuned for the next upload. Bye.